Hello, my dear students. How are you all today? Enjoying your online studies? Yes, good. In the month of July and August, you all must have enjoyed rainy season, isn't it? So, today we will study little more about water. So, students, today we are going to study chapter 13 of your EVS textbook, A River's Tale. You all must have seen a river full of water. Have you ever wondered where does this water comes from in the river? Melting of ice on mountains is the source of water in river. Now let us see an underground scene.
Wow, ma'am, it is so beautiful. There are so many water animals in this picture.
Yes, students, let me show you some of the water animals.
Ma'am, I know this is a fish.
Very good. Next, you can see a whale. Do you know, students? Blue whale is the largest living animal in the world.
Ma'am, I know this animal. It is an octopus.
Yes, it has 8 limbs. That is why it is called an octopus. Next animal is
Tortoise.
very good. Next, you can see a crocodile. So you have seen amazing water animals. Now, all of you tell me, can we live without water?
No, ma'am, we will die without water.
Yes, water is used in a lot of activities like watering garden, washing hands, washing clothes, dishes, bathing, swimming, laundry, drinking water. Okay, students, you all enjoy rainy season. Have you ever come across any such situation as you see in this pic? Do you know what it is called? It is the situation of flood. People have to face a lot of problems. There is water logging everywhere and people cannot commute from one place to another. But we can surely avoid this situation. We should plant more and more trees as they help in controlling floods. Plant roots act as net to hold the soil in place and stop it from washing in rivers, as you can see in this picture. So, we should do more and more plantation. In your school also, you must have seen your teachers and classmates doing plantation activities.
Yes, ma'am. We, along with teachers and principals, do plant saplings.
Very good. Now, as you all know, water is very essential for your survival. So, you all have to make a poster on topic Jal Hi Jeevan Hai. My students have made few posters which I am showing you as example. So students, hope you have understood today's chapter. Bye for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.